Hello guys. I greet you. You're all welcome to Stanley Forex. So I want to show us how I was able to get used to this analysis. All right. So and I believe with this some of you can learn how to take your own entries as well. So I don't want to waste any of our time. Let's go quickly. Let's get something doing. Okay. What I dropped in the group yesterday was uh a sell up on AUD USD. AUD USD. And in case this is the very first time you're watching my videos on YouTube, do well to subscribe, okay? Do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on trade setups like this. And you may want to join our trading group on WhatsApp. Here is it. Here is it. Yeah. So I would drop the link in the comment section, in the comment section below, so you can join the group. All right. And here is it. I dropped this signal yesterday. Although throughout the day the market wasn't moving, we were trapped during the day into a consolidating market. You can see, you know, after we entered the market during the London session yesterday, we became trapped. So, but you know how AUD pairs do move? They do move during the ASEAN session. So we got the move we wanted during our ASEAN session. So let's go back to the chart and then let me show you how I was able to get this setup done. So most of you can learn from here. Let me take out this trade history and then all right, good. I trade on the 15 minutes time frame, but then I get my direction from the 1 hour time frame. All right, so let's see what the market holds for us now. Let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. Clearly you can see I can spot what we call a channel on this chart right now. I could spot what we call a channel on this chart, but then before I was able to spot this channel, see what happened here. See what happened here. Uh, we saw price giving us a very strong downtrend on 15 minutes time frame. All right, price giving us a very strong downtrend on 15 minutes time frame, and then connecting the swing lows and swing highs on this chart. What did we have here? All right, we had what most of people call pennant, or some of people call triangle, whatever. But we had this pattern formed in the market. All right, and then what I normally do, I combine chart patterns like this with divergence. All right, I combine chart patterns like this with divergence and then wait for trend line breaks before I will execute my orders. So now see what happened. See what was happening here while the price was falling. You can see how price was making lower lows and all that. Lower lows here. We had lower lows. Price kept making lower lows on the chart, while oscillator kept making higher lows. If you are looking for a good oscillator to use for your divergence setup, I recommend the MACD MACD. Okay, it's very nice in terms of divergence. And then you may want to also use my entry strategy as well for your divergence to combine with your divergence. It's not advisable to treat divergence just like that. All right, you wait for more conferences to occur in the market before you execute. Divergence is just an indicator for you to understand that yes, price is about to do a particular thing. You wait for more confirmation before you execute your order. So, like I said, giving us these two trend lines on the peaks and troughs. What did we have here? We had a triangle. Some of you call it peanut. All right, and alongside what the oscillator was saying was oscillator was telling us that the market should probably rise anytime soon. Do you understand? So because as the chart was falling, oscillator was rising. Can you see? Lower lows, oscillator giving us higher highs. Then quickly, during the London session yesterday, I just kept my period separators right now. So during the London session yesterday, we had this divergence here. Price was still at this point. Let me get you something. Let me the market where the price was. Price was still at this point yesterday. Uh, just hope this video is not too long so you guys can understand. Price was at this point yesterday. Let's be honest with ourselves. And then we see the divergence here. So what I normally do is I wait for trend price to break trend line before I execute my orders. Do you understand? I wait for price to break my trend line. Now, what do I mean by that? Spotting this divergence, what do I do? Already, you can see that the price was giving us nice uh lower lows, lower highs rather. Price was giving us nice lower highs. Anytime the price came on this trend line, this resistance trend line, it does go react to the downside. Have you seen? So you don't want to be trading when price is still buying the market when price is still below this trend line. Okay. So what I do is I wait for this triangle, price moving in this triangle or pennant, whatever one you call it, to break. Do you understand? Once price breaks this pennant or triangle, as you may call it, because now you've seen that connecting the drop and the swing highs and lows, you've seen that the market was in a clear pennant pattern. Now I will wait for price to break and see what happened here. Price did break at this point. Price did break at this point. Okay, with this candle, this was where we took our entry. Do you understand? This was where we took our entry, and throughout that yesterday, price gave us price was really ranging. Market did not do anything at all during the day, going up and down. We wasted so much time in the market and then without having anything. That's why it's good to be patient with your setup. Trust your setup and be patient with it. Do you understand? And then with that, I think you can go far in this industry. So see what happened after we took this trade. Now, for more confirmation, after price has given us established new lows. Have you seen? After this low, we had this low here, we had this low here. I now had to zoom out and then to see the entire picture, the big picture of this whole occurrence here. You can see that the price was in a clear channel. This is one thing about trading. This is one thing about trading. Millions of traders are having their eyes on one uh currency pair, for example, but millions of traders are having a different view over the market. Do you understand me? Almost everybody wants to trade forex, and at the moment you open your chart, you see something that you know or we convince you that the market is going in a particular direction. Why? Another person by your side will be seeing something else. So after price have established these new lows here, what did I do? I had to bring up my channel tool and I discovered that the price was in a very clear and nice channel. So at that point I was very confident. My confidence in this particular asset became very high because one, we saw the market moving in a triangle pattern, in a pennant pattern, whatever. Now secondly, the market broke out of this trend line, this resistance trend line at this point. Do you understand? And then thirdly, on applying my channel tool, I discovered market was at a support level of the channel. Do you understand? So all this clustering the market was having here, it was just at the bottom of the channel. Do you understand? So at the end of the day, I was very confident about this market on spotting this channel. This was the last thing I spotted on this asset, to be honest. I never saw this until I had to zoom out on my chart. I was wondering why the market was so quiet during the day. Do you understand? I had to go in and check for so many things, and I discovered that the market was on a clear channel and it was struggling to bounce off this support level. Okay, and finally it bounced off during the night, and you can see where we are right now. You can see where we've traded. I dropped this signal in the group, and I believe a lot of you took it, and by now you should be in profit. So guys, this is why and how I was able to spot this, and not just the AD USD. I'm also on the trade GBP USD. Have you seen? Let me also explain how I was able to get this. But then I think I will stop here for now because my time is up for the recording I am doing. So I will get you guys how I was able to get this analysis on GBP USD on my next video. Do want to subscribe to my channel and then join my group via the link on the description below, and you're good to go. All right, thank you very much.